So hi, Emily.
Hi.
Emily is our master engraver, and she is going to teach us how to turn on and off the engraving machine and how to use the signature engraving software.
Yeah, so let's get to it.
All right.
So this is our machine.
Okay.
To power it on, you need to go to the left side of the machine, and next to the cable, you're gonna find this power button.
Okay.
If you push it, it's gonna turn the machine on.
Okay. Okay, I see that.
So this machine is pretty simple. There's only three things that you need to know in talking about like controllers and stuff.
Right.
First of all, in this side, you're gonna find the controllers to move the mechanism here.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if I hit the left arrow, it's gonna go to the left. Same with the right, top, and down.
Mm-hmm.
And then this guy here is the enter or action button. What it does is like select stuff or go into the center. For example, if I go to this side and then I hit the enter one, I will go to the center that I choose in the first place. How did I choose the center? So the center is gonna be whatever you start the machine. For example, let's think that the needle is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
The machine is off.
Mm-hmm.
If I turn on the machine, that's where the center is gonna be now.
Okay.
So whatever you use the machine and you're gonna start it, you always wanna make sure that you have the needle in the center that you want. So
Right.
I'm gonna do it again because
Okay.
I want the center to be there.
Right.
The other thing that you wanna know about how to control the machine is on the right side, this guy over here,
Mhm.
if you move it, it's gonna move this on the front,
Mm-hmm.
and that's gonna help you to tie your item because some of them are
I
big
see.
and than the others.
So it's closing. It's hard to see in the video, but as you
Yeah.
move that on the right, this is closing.
Let's say, oh, I have an item that
Right.
is really, really big,
Mhm.
and I need to go all the way here.
I see.
And you want to go fast, and this is slow.
Right.
What you're gonna do? You're gonna go to the left side of the machine, and here on top, there's something that controls the same thing, but it's fast. If you look
I see.
there,
Okay. I see.
and you don't have to be moving it with your hand.
Right.
Now, that's the controllers that you need to know about the machine. Now let's move to the computer and the software.
Okay. Can I ask a quick question? With regard to the centering, how do you know where you want something centered? Is that a
So-
lesson that we're going to learn a little bit later?
Yeah, but
Okay.
usually if it's an item that is small and you know it's gonna be in this area,
Mm-hmm.
you want the center to be in this area.
Right.
Let's say that what you're gonna say is something like a jewelry box that is huge.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna go like more to the left
Right.
because the item is bigger.
Right.
And you're creating like a canvas where you're gonna work around. You
Right.
need to imagine that the center is the
Right.
center of the canvas.
And the way you figured out the centering was by actually putting your first item in and then figuring out where the center is on that item and saving it.
That's
and
the
that's
ideal.
where your center remains, correct? Okay, gotcha.
So going into the computer,
Mm-hmm.
the software that we use is down here.
Okay.
It's called SES.
Okay.
So we go there. When we run the software, it's gonna ask us to locate the enter or action button and touch it.
Okay.
And that's gonna tell the software, oh, the machine is connected and we can start working. So we're gonna go to the machine,
Mm-hmm.
go to the enter and action one, and hit it.
Gotcha.
Now the software is gonna start.
Gotcha.
And that's it.
Okay. All right. Is that the end of our first lesson?
Yeah,
Thanks,
first one
Emily.
is done.